Yeah, I was. It's Chriso. I've got a little one to show you here. I'm plumb there, and I need to be plumb here, or I've got to follow the door jamb as well. The door jamb is, I don't know, out by. It's not super straight, so it's out by a couple of mil. The best way to do it, don't follow your door jamb. I have dry laid these, and there's two ways of getting it nice and straight, because what I'm doing is I'm wrapping my tile around here, so I'll have aluminium up that edge and aluminium here, which will look cool, and I've showed you how to do that in another video. I'm doing it again because these people are going to have a barn door as well. The other one I did, they were having a barn door. These guys are having a barn door as well. I'll be doing the same here. So I've got a 180mm cut up there, roughly about the same. I'll dry lay them. I'll lay this, I'll dry lay those, mark it and cut it. So then you see that can be that door jamb can be slightly out of plumb, which it is. 2 mil. I might be out of mil there, out of plumb, so that's sort of 3 mil. This is the best way to go dead flush with your jamb. I've laid them dry. That tile at the bottom is correct. That's my mark up the top there. Because sometimes you can't cut them all the same DIY, you know, and if you've got a my cutter is like 25 years old, it might be 1/2 mil out of square. Even if you had a brand new cutter and you're cutting dead square, that's not the way to do it, because the door jamb is out a couple of mil. So you need to follow the door jamb, otherwise you're in trouble. The best way of doing it is marking it like that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, number them off, and then just cut them to suit, bang them into place. In the morning on the way here, I'll be picking up my aluminium, so I'll cut them in then and put them into place. So I'll start over here now. It's coming out nicely. It's been a bit of a fiddly day with a bit of cutting and that sort of thing, but hey, we're getting there. I'll go up there now and then across there. This doesn't have to be, I don't have to waterproof this or that. If I have a leak anywhere, it's not going to go anywhere because I've waterproofed 300mm up the wall. I want to take this architrave off and re-architrave it, so I'll pick some of that up tomorrow morning. So let's zap these. I'll get across there. I'll have it nicely done by tomorrow night easy, and then I'll just grout it up Friday. I just noticed those lines were just a little bit wide. All the time you're looking at your lines all the time, people. Easy peasy. Let's do that wall now, Chriso. We'll use up a bit of glue and then I'll mosey off home. See you folks. Stay tuned. Lean on in. There's heaps to see.